Good morning, welcome to my channel. I removed the plasma cutter from my trolley. As I said, I want to show you how to clean it. We can open it now, few screws here in the bottom, and then we can look inside. Okay, the unit is open now. As you can see, as always, I have a little metal magnet thing to put all the screws in because always missing one when I'm finished. You can see inside here. Let me just get some closer look here. This is where the IGBTs are. You can see here's all the dust. They accumulate. All the dust accumulate here. Look at my finger. Now there's all fine metal shavings from the cutting, and they go lie all over the place here. There. Electronics. Okay, let's just go basic through the unit here. As I understand, here's the valve. Open and close. When you press the button, it opens the air. Here's the input. With the AC gets made like DC. There's relays, big capacitors. Here is the IGBTs, the switching, and here's a big heat sink here. And with the fan in the back, blow through the heat sink here. Here's some big coils. Another big coil here. Here's some other electronics where you set the amps. Let me just turn this thing around. Here's the big capacitors in the bottom here. Look, they're all dusty, all dirty. Look how dirty are they here. So make sure you clean them. Blow this thing properly. And here's the connections. I believe this part is the final before some inductive loads issue here. Here's some electronics for the starting of the front. It starts the flame or the little spark. And it's a regulator in the back, as I said. Okay, I'm just going to get the air and we're going to blow it out quickly. Make sure it's clean, as I said. Then otherwise your thing will last a little bit longer. Here's the temperature sensor on the heatsink. If it overheats, it obviously will switch off. And I think here's the part. There's a high switching transformer here. You can see here's a little device, a little gap here. This is where the flame, something to do with the starting a spark. But the rest of the electronics, I'm not sure exactly what it is. It's just to do with the current switching and the driving of the IGBTs for the output. Okay, let's get the air. Okay, I have my air gun here. You can just look in all the dust gonna come out here. So it shows if you don't clean this once in a while, you can have troubles. But the fan empty. You can use a brush. Where's my brush? Here's a brush. You can always take a brush and just brush just to get the stubborn stuff off here. Especially here by the connections, all the IGBTs is very important. Turn the machine around. Okay, this is how you clean it. You're gonna clean everything nicely, make sure all the dust and all the metal shavings is off, and then you can put the lid back. Then you're good to go for another year or so. It depends on how hard you work and how you use this unit. And if you cut it, always try to put this unit away as far as possible. Don't cut over it for all the shavings and all that fine metal pieces to go in, particles to get sucked in here. So okay, that is it. I hope that will help a little bit. And this is the same thing for all your the welders, all your inverter type of welders have the same problem. They looks almost the same inside, just they don't have the air and that part, but the rest is there. So makes your thing last a little bit longer. Okay, I hope you enjoy the video. Till the next one. Cheers and goodbye.